Welcome back. In today's video, we'll be discussing adjunct therapies, treatment options that complement primary therapies like medication and psychotherapy. While antidepressants and therapy are essential for treating depression, adjunct therapies, like physical activity and structured problem solving, play a critical role in improving overall treatment outcomes. Let's dive into how these approaches can help individuals manage and reduce the symptoms of depression. Let's start with physical activity. Physical activity is one of the most effective adjunct therapies for depression. When we talk about physical activity, we don't necessarily mean intense exercise or going to the gym. It can include any form of movement, walking, swimming, yoga, or even light stretching. Regular physical activity can significantly improve mood, reduce symptoms of depression, and enhance overall well-being. Why is physical activity effective? Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, also known as the feel-good hormones. These chemicals help boost mood and create a sense of well-being. Physical activity also increases the production of serotonin and dopamine, which are neurotransmitters that play a role in regulating mood and emotional responses. Moreover, physical activity can also improve sleep quality, which is often disrupted in people with depression. Regular exercise helps regulate sleep patterns, leading to better rest, which in turn helps manage depression symptoms. Studies show that even moderate physical activity, like a 30-minute walk every day, can be just as effective as antidepressants in reducing symptoms of depression in some individuals. Additionally, physical activity provides a sense of accomplishment and structure, which are often lacking in people struggling with depression. Reflection questions. How do you think physical activity affects both the body and the mind in treating depression? What kinds of physical activities might be easiest for someone with depression to start with? Next, let's talk about structured problem solving. Structured problem solving is another powerful adjunct therapy for depression. When people are depressed, they often feel overwhelmed by life stresses and chronic problems, which can lead to feelings of helplessness or hopelessness. Depression often distorts thinking, causing individuals to feel like they're trapped in a never-ending cycle of issues they can't solve. This is where structured problem solving can make a difference. What is structured problem solving? Structured problem solving is a cognitive approach that helps individuals break down complex problems into manageable steps. It encourages goal setting, action planning, and progress monitoring, which helps people regain a sense of control over their lives. By using a structured approach to tackle problems, individuals can reduce the sense of being overwhelmed and feel more capable of managing difficult situations. Here's a basic structure for problem solving. Identify the problem. Clearly define what the issue is. For example, I'm feeling overwhelmed by work and can't meet deadlines. Brainstorm solutions. Think of several possible solutions. For example, maybe I need to delegate tasks or break down projects into smaller steps. Choose a solution. Pick the most feasible solution that you can realistically implement. Create an action plan. Set clear, achievable goals and deadlines. Monitor progress. Regularly check in on the progress and adjust your approach if needed. How does it help with depression? For people with depression, this approach provides a clear framework for addressing life's challenges, which can feel like they're insurmountable when in the throes of depression. By breaking down problems into smaller, more manageable tasks, individuals begin to feel empowered rather than helpless. Furthermore, structured problem solving encourages proactive behavior, which combats the inertia that many people with depression feel. Instead of ruminating on the same problem repeatedly, individuals are encouraged to take concrete steps towards solutions, which in turn boosts their confidence and self-efficacy. Structured problem solving has been shown to be effective, not just for depression, but also for managing anxiety and stress, as it gives individuals a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Reflection questions. How do you think breaking down problems into smaller steps can help someone with depression feel more in control of their life? What role do you think goal setting and action planning play in improving mood and motivation? Let's now talk about how we can integrate physical activity and structured problem solving together. When we combine physical activity and structured problem solving, we create a holistic approach to treating depression. Both of these adjunct therapies work together to boost mood, reduce stress, and increase resilience. For example, someone might begin by setting a goal to walk 30 minutes a day. This simple act of physical activity can help release endorphins, improve sleep, and give them a sense of achievement. Meanwhile, they can use structured problem solving to address any life challenges, such as managing their workload or improving relationships. Together, these activities can create positive momentum, where small successes in physical health translate into emotional benefits, and addressing emotional stresses through problem solving improves overall well-being. Additionally, problem solving often leads to identifying areas of life where physical activity can fit in. For instance, someone with depression might have trouble getting out of bed. By using problem-solving techniques, they might identify small steps they can take, like setting an alarm to remind them to go for a walk, or even finding a buddy to join them for exercise. Reflection questions. How might integrating both physical activity and problem-solving provide a sense of balance and control for someone struggling with depression? What kind of practical goals could someone with depression set for themselves in terms of physical activity and problem solving? To summarize, adjunct therapies like physical activity and structured problem solving are essential components of a comprehensive treatment plan for depression. Physical activity boosts mood, improves sleep, and enhances overall well-being, while structured problem solving empowers individuals to address life's challenges step by step. Together, these therapies can help break the cycle of depression and provide individuals with the tools they need to regain control of their lives. In the next video, we'll focus on practical case-based projects where you'll create personalized treatment plans for patients with moderate to severe depression. Let's keep it going, and I'll see you in the next one.